Policeman nongkyrshan, bentang dan khot ya iba sirah.
We are approaching every citizens of the state and the country. Because why? Because we have seen that the country needs the leadership of BJP. Under the dynamic leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister for last 8 years, the country has started to move. Even the neighboring state like Assam, it is going way ahead. So we have to explain the people that why they need BJP, how we can deliver. Today and tomorrow, more people are joining. And we are hopeful that this time, at least BJP will head the government in Meghalaya.
This is a mass resignation, right? How many are joining?
There is more than 700. More people are joining in the state, in their respective polling stations very shortly.
Leaders are expected to join the BJP ahead of the assembly
See,
polls.
that is only a speculation. As I have said, we are approaching everyone, every citizen of the state to join the party for the greater interest of the state. So, when they are going to understand, when they are going to join, it is difficult for me now to explain or tell you. Today, around more than 700 people have resigned from the NPP in Radikot, and under the leadership of Gong Princess Naitang, they have joined the Bharatiya Janata Party in just a few moments back. So we welcome them. It's a great move because on the eve of election, when we are supposed to go for the nomination, the NPP has the local committee of the NPP was dissolved, and there was a mass resignation from the NPP, and they have come to the state BJP office to join. So it is a great day for the BJP. We welcome them.
So when will Martin M Danggo join the BJP?
M Danggo, we are hearing he will be joining the party because most of his supporters are today in the BJP party. So we hope within a day or two we will hear some good news from Radikot.
What made him to leave BJP?
When he has already been declared as its official
See,
candidate?
it is up to the individuals. Why it may be today or tomorrow, everyone is realizing that the NPP has completely failed to perform in the state. The expectations were not met. When Conrad Sangma came as a chief minister of the state, he was expected to be delivered because people consider that at least after the great change of the communist rule of the Congress, so the NPP-led government headed by Conrad Sangma, who was expected to be a dynamic and educated person, but he has failed miserably. That is the downfall started, and within a few days we will see that the NPP is going out of the power.